So we're doing angle degree probe scanning. That's angle probe scanning, and these are the probes. These are the probes. So I'll be very fast. These are the probes. So now I want to go for the configuration now of the machine. So we turn the machine on. This is Sonatest machine. Sonatest UT Machine. We turn it on. So the first thing is we couple we're making use of 60 degrees probe. So we'll socket it here. Socket, good. So the next thing, remember this is our V2 block. This is our V2 block. So this part from this measurement to this place to the index point of this block is actually 25 mm, the radius, while the back radius with the bigger side of it is 50 mm. So let us commence the calibration now. These are the interfaces, the main 4 interfaces. By the time we go through these 4, then it means we are done with our calibration. So let us start from the first one. Click on it, you enter it. So what do we have here? This is the last place we're going to work on. So come to this place, velocity. We are making use of shear wave velocity. The velocity, if you check here, you see shear wave there. Let me zoom so that you see that S there. This place here, this is shear wave velocity, and it's giving us 3230. So we're going to choose that one, 3230. Click on it. We have chosen it. Now the next one is, the next place is our range. Our range is 4 times the radius of this place, the smaller radius, 4 times it. They've said the smaller radius is 25, so 4 times 25 gives us 100. So once you come to the range, you enter the range and you choose. It's already at that 100. So, but this is it, 100, you choose it. Then the delay, you're not going to do anything here first. So let us continue to the next place, which is this part. Exposure. Okay, I'm trying to lock the exposure. So we're going to make use of this, the next space. Move to that point. Full. Here we choose full there. Reject, we reject nothing. Smooth. We'll come down here on this smooth. Oh, this machine has started. The machine is having small malfunction. Okay, smooth. You click on no. Smooth. Come down. Click on smooth. Good. Now the next one is come to TX. Yes. Pulse repetitive frequency full. I will take my own to 500 or to 1000. So I received the signal very fast there. So the next one is this very place here. Damping. Your damping is I. Make damping I. Why is this exposure not working well? Damping should be I, which is 400. Now the single probe, we're making use of single probe, so that's where, if we're dealing with double probe, we would have clicked on double, but since it is single probe, that's why we're clicking on single. So we're using single. Click OK to enter it. So let me reduce it again. So the next place we're gonna is gate. Now once I turn this gate on, you will see a line here. That line is what is called the gate. So I'll turn it on. It is the signal that crosses those lines that will give us our reading. So positive gate, then the start of the gate, where your gate is to start, and then the width of the gate. So I'm going to span this gate, increase the width of my gate. So I want to increase the width. Come to gate width, increase it. So I've increased the width of the gate. That is done. So the level of the gate is 20. 20 is okay. So go to the next interface, back gate, off it. We don't need it. Gate 2. Then you're not going to do anything on AutoCal. This one calibrates itself automatically. Now we come out from here, we come to measurements. Come to measure. So from here, we are going to choose this place. Choose trig. Yeah. You choose trigonometry. There. Now you come to trigonometry. Our surface, we have flat. We're working on flat surface. Here we have concave, convex, and flat. So we are working on flat surface. Here we have half skip, and then the thickness of the material. So the thickness of our material, which is our radius, is 25. So we're going to choose 25 here. 25. Yeah. Now our probe type, we are using 60 degrees probe. So we're going to change it to 60 degrees. So change it to 60 degrees here. So 60 degrees probe. Our offset. So I'll show you what the offset is, but for now you're not going to touch this place. It is until you determine the offset of the probe you are using before you add it to this place, and you add it when you are doing wet scan, when you're already trying to find out, detect faults or discontinuities. So let us continue. Yeah, we're not going to do anything here. We're not going to touch here yet, and we're not going to touch this DAC yet. So those ones are off. Now come out, come to memory. Memory is where we store this thing, so we're not using memory yet. Come to utility. Come to utility. So utility, what do we have to set here? English, yes, okay. Option, these are okay. So let's see. Brightness, color. So we basically, okay, this is where you set between imperial and metric. So this is the only thing we set here, between imperial and metric, and also to assign keys. If you want to change the position of these keys, you can assign them here. So here we are using metric. So you come out. So we are done with our calibration right now. So come out of this place using this other key. Use this button to come out. I hope it is clear. So use this button to come out. Then the next thing we are going to do is to come back to this car. Remember, there was a place we skipped before, so return to this car. Now come to this first point here too. This first point here. So come back like this. So we want to finish our calibration. Remember, we've kept this 0 before, so it is now that we'll make use of this 0. So move your this into the 0. So we are at the 0 now. So at this point, we are going to couple our probe on the V2 block. We coupled it on the V2 block. So let me add some more couplants. This is more couplant. Just add it here. I've added some more couplant. Now this is our V2 block here. So once we couple it, we're going to sweep this thing forward like this, forward and backwards. You see what I'm doing now? As I'm moving this thing, you can see there is an echo showing there on the screen. Now the point where this echo is at the highest, that is where we'll hold on, and then we'll hold it there, mark that point, that is our index point. So by the time we get that highest point, we'll come to this 0 and set the display that would come here, we'll set it to 25. So I think that display is not here yet. So let us go and there's a display that is supposed to show here. So we'll go find out the position, and then we make it appear first of all. So I'll go back to measure. I'll toggle through the screen to find out where that position is. Toggle through.